All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at lesson 10-5, make a table and look for a pattern. So it's a little bit similar to what we have been going over already in 10-4. So let's take a look at the first problem that we have here. Erasers are sold in packages of 6. In each package, 2 of the erasers are pink. How many pink erasers will Andrea get if she buys 30 erasers? So that question, let's go ahead and underline it so we can focus in on what we're actually having to solve. We're solving for the number of pink erasers. How many pink erasers will she get if she buys 30 total? Again, it tells us that the erasers are sold in packages of 6. In each package, 2 of the erasers are pink. So out of the 6, 2 are going to be pink. So we're looking for the rule here. What can we do to 2 to make it 6? And it has to work with the next set of numbers. So 2 to 6, 4 to 12, 6 to 18. We notice that our numbers are increasing, right? They're getting larger. 2 times what or 2 plus what is going to get us to 6? Okay, well, 2 times 3 equals 6. I know that multiplication fact. It works with 6. Let's see if it works with the next set of numbers, 4 and 12. 4 times 3, it does equal 12, so far so good. Let's see if it works for the last one here. 6 times 3, it does equal 18. So I know that my rule is times 3. So we want to get to 30. How many pink erasers will she get if she buys 30 erasers, okay? So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 times 3, 24. 10, right? Skip counting my 2's on top. 10 times 3, and we get 30. So Andrea will get 10 pink erasers if she buys 30 erasers. So 10 pink erasers is our answer. Okay? Let's take a look at the next one. A produce store offers 2 free avocados for every 8 ears of corn customers buy. How many avocados would a customer get if she buys 40 ears of corn? So let's go ahead and underline that question. How many avocados would a customer get if she buys 40 ears of corn? And we're focusing on what this problem is asking us. We want to solve for the number of avocados. How many avocados if she buys 40 ears of corn? Back to the top. The store gives away 2 free avocados for every 8 ears of corn. So here the first set or the first pair of numbers needs to be 2 avocados with 8 ears of corn. So 2 and 8. Okay. So for the top, since we're starting off with 2, let's go ahead and continue skip counting by 2's. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. We want to get to 40. All right. So 40 ears of corn. We're starting off with 8. So let's see, what could the pattern be? Well, what can I do to 2 to make it equal 8? Is there a number that I can add, or is there a number that I can multiply because my number is increasing? I know that 6 plus 2 equals 8, right? But I also know that 2 times 4 equals 8 as well. Again, in a group of 8, there's going to be 2 free avocados. We want to know how many avocados will they get if they buy 40 ears of corn. Okay, so with 8, for every 8, they're going to get 2 free avocados for every 8. So if we double that, just like we doubled the number on top, if we doubled the 8, we're going to end up with 16, right? And again, the rule here would be 2 times 4 equals 8. And if we doubled the 8 to get 16, the rule still is the same. It's still times 4 because 4 times 4 equals 16. I'm doubling each one as I go across. For every 8 ears of corn, they're going to get 2 free avocados. Okay? On to the next one. Keeping the rule the same, right? 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. Times 4 is the rule. So now we have 24 total ears of corn. For every 8, she gets 2. In the number 24, okay, in that number 24, we have a total of 6 avocados for free. Continuing to use the rule, times 4, 32, times 4, 40. So if the customer buys 40 ears of corn, they're going to get 10 free avocados. 10 avocados. All right. So going across, each time we doubled the amount, okay? Doubling the amount on the bottom until we got to 40. Adding 8 each time because of the groups of 8. For every 8, she gets 2 free avocados, okay? And we're going all the way up to 40. So these numbers down below are multiples of 4. 40 is a multiple of 4. And if the customer buys 40 ears of corn, they're going to get 10 free avocados.